I'm glad that you're here today. Remember to subscribe if you're new here, and you can always reach us out so that we can render your drawing for you as quick as possible to help you win more clients. And also, if you have any problem and you want to know how to fix it, how to go about it, how to design it, you can always reach out to us so that we can help you win more clients. ArchiCAD comes with a lot of textures, but only in elements, attributes, and we go to surfaces. So here, if you need, maybe you need a quick way to get to specific textures, you can choose what you want. For instance, if I choose siding dark, then I'm going to be taken quickly to where the siding textures are. So this is just a short way if you want maybe specific or whatever texture. So let me go with the siding, and then I click new because I want to make it a new text. But of course you call it a name that you will be able to remember. Yeah, a name that works for you. And then I'm gonna hit OK, and then I'm going to textures, and here I click on browse. So once I click on browse, like I said, it will take you automatically to where the sidings are because you had already selected the siding. But if you don't know where it is, you will be directed to something like this, where you go to ArchiCAD library, then you go to surface catalog, and you click on surface catalog 24 or 19 or whatever version you're using. Then this one, TI image textures, and this one, then say if I want siding. So you have a lot of textures here, brick, whatever. So if I want siding is on the wall finishes. Then you have plaster. You can see that you have plaster stucco, then you have siding. So here on siding, like as you see on this side, you have a lot of sidings. Options which you had not been provided before, and you can choose whatever that you want to use in your drawing. So say, let me choose, can I choose a random one, or let me go to another texture which you had not been provided. Like say I want this one, then I click OK, and here I come to set it. So make sure the dimensions are okay. In most cases, just make sure the dimensions match this one with the pixel dimensions. So I'm gonna go with 248. This is 248. And we shall also see later on how you can import your own textures and use them in ArchiCAD. So then I click OK. So say I want to use that text on my drawing. Click down, then you click Ctrl T, click your wall, Ctrl T. Then I'm going to modern, and I'm going to look for that text. Say it was siding structon, this one. Say I wanted both inside and outside, I click that one, and now you can see I have that text. So that text is not provided in your ArchiCAD, but it is not yet activated, but it comes with your ArchiCAD once you install. There are lots of textures, and you see it's actually a very cool textures. A texture, if you take this one to a rendering software, is gonna come out very nicely. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and chill for more content coming soon. Thank you.